This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So let's open this up, show you guys exactly what you get in the box. I must say, I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this. Like when I was pulling it out of the box, really really impressed. Just from front to back. This is really nice. Like really nice. Even from the bottom tray, everything seems to be made really nice quality. So the trays slide out really nice. So you got your accessories inside this box here. You got your little dropper, little filter in here for distilled water. So we're just going to keep that in here for right now. Again, really nice. And I love the transparency here because you can line up your different cigars, you know, and actually look through and see. Of course, you have your digital gauge thermometer here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Oops. Okay, be careful, guys. It looks like it wants to pull the battery right out. So we're going to pop this back in here. Put this back in. And you can adjust it from Celsius. Oh, man. Okay, so rule of thumb here. For this unit, take it out and handle it with two hands. It wasn't in there that good. So here we can see, you know, the percentage, the gauge here. And then put that back in. So that just lines up right here. And you can put that, you know, where you want. So you can have it right there if you want. And then it's right there at your window. Some people just lay it down inside, or they swap out if they want it at the top or bottom. But you guys can put it where you want, but this is nice. And if we take a look on the bottom, it already has little feet on it. So it's not directly flat, which doesn't scrape the bottom of it. So overall, this is just a really nice unit, guys. Really, really nice. Very impressed.